Hello everyone, welcome back to Stylish Design. This video I have brought to you guys is about different beautiful hijabs, and these hijabs are in beautiful different colors and shades. These are really gorgeous and ideal for all hijabi girls, those who want colorful hijab wear yet so stylish and the perfect size. Look how stunning is this purple one with dark purplish strips on it, and look at this dark sea green color. Look at this off-white one, and these are really all gorgeous and super beautiful. These are extremely lightweighted for those who wants to wear these in summer. These are ideal for all seasons and really beautiful. You can either pair them with an under hijab scarf, or you can wear it directly as these beautiful girls. This is so beautiful, and you can wear it for your uni, schools, parties, meetings, and different occasions as well. Look at this stunning red color. Isn't this so pretty cool? What color do you like the most? Let me know down in the comment box below. Also, to you beautiful viewers, I want to mention one thing, that I have my Instagram ID, Twitter, Pinterest, and my website. If you guys would like to follow me there, links are in the description box below. You can follow me on them as well. I am really grateful to you viewers for your unconditional love and support. It definitely means a lot to me. I am so delighted by reading your beautiful comments. It's so motivational, and for the love and support that you shows, I am really thankful. And to all my lovely viewers, this video was brought to you guys by me about different hijab headscarf wears. But if you would prefer watching next abayas, then I would definitely bring those video for you. If you want them, just comment down below so I'll have an idea and I could tune according to your recommendations and suggestions. And guys, if you're enjoying watching this video, take a moment and like this video, subscribe the channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you would never miss any latest update, and whenever I'll upload a new video, you will be notified about it. And if you can share this video with your family and friends, kindly do it. Love you all guys. Thank you for watching. Until next, take care. Bye.